perfect spot to take your Instagram photos and do shopping. You can actually pick your ears, the earwax, at $38 per person. I think they are very professional. And then on the other side, you can enjoy the music or have some kind of Turkish ice cream and drinks. I'm at the popular Jinli Ancient Street right now in Chengdu, Sichuan. Let's have a tour. The main lanterns make Jinli very beautiful, and even they sell the leaves here, the tea leaves. There'll be more show later. There's a slap show I'll show you guys, where two men in bronze uniform they will perform various skits.
错，那是错。
后面那个。
Be careful of your own belongings, because them may be pockets. There's a romance of the three children statue photos, the pictures.
走，隔离我不懂啊，走。
There's some kind of sample. I'm going to try it. Food samples, and right in front here I see they can rent the costumes, the Chinese costume for like rental, and they can take the photos around here and then return them maybe after 1 or 2 hours. These are the Sichuan spices here. Inside this bottle, there are some kind of dressings. And guess what? I found there's one special street food here. We call it 波斯糖. It's another section of the food street and fashion street near checkout. The food street start from here, all the way straight, and then that side is another paradise. Lots of street food here, and then after you buy it, you can actually sit, have a resting seat over there, tables. Subscribe now to get the latest update, and thanks very much. This will enable more people to find the video. I'm at the famous temple in Chengdu right now. The name is Daci Temple. Right in the center, there's a big laughing Buddha, which actually symbolizes you can endure all kind of hardship. It's a good place to worship for locals and foreigners to find some peace in the downtown of Chengdu. Wow, you can paint the Buddha statue. There's a good merit. Lots of people, and I think I saw foreigners earlier. Look at the size. At the tea house here, I can order some tea, enjoy while chit-chatting with your friends after that long walk around the temple. You see, even foreigners come here. So open to everyone, regardless of religion. Everyone is equal here.